And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a fast forward cut in Premiere Pro. I've got these different shots, 4 files in total, and we can simply arrange them like so and have a simple cut from one scene to the next. But another way to do it is a fast forward cut. So go to a position you like, right click, speed and duration, and then increase it. I will use 5 times the speed, so 500%. And if I roll the clip now, we've got a little bit of a fast forward effect prior to the cut to the next scene. Depending on the footage that you have, it makes sense to accelerate it. So go back a little bit in your first file. Once more, right click, speed and duration, and now we use 250%, which is 2.5 times the original speed. And now the fast forward cut effect accelerates. And we can even slow it down in the next clip. So after you've got your 500% speed, find a point that you like, once more cut it, right click, speed and duration, and make it 250%. And now we've got it accelerating up to 5 times the speed and then slowly decelerating to the original one. This fast forward cut works best when you've got camera movement, especially when you're zooming in or moving in with the camera. The next 2 files, they don't work so well. I'll simply use the cut, but I'm going to connect these 2 files with the fast forward effect. But I'm not going to accelerate it, I'll simply use the 500%. Obviously you can play around with it, accelerate it in different speeds, but once more, it works best when you've got a lot of camera movement from one scene to the next, and these scenes are very similar. So when you've got a model and you move around with the camera, like in the first 2 clips, that works perfectly. When you've got scenes that are very different from each other, this kind of fast forward cut isn't the best, but you should always try it out and see for yourself. Depending on the footage that you've got, it might even work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.